Kumail Nanjiani, the hilarious comedian we all know and love, shocked the world with his incredible transformation for Marvel's Eternals. Known for his roles in Silicon Valley and his stand-up comedy, Kumail was always the funny guy with a charmingly lanky frame. But when he was cast in the role of Kingo, a superhero in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, he knew he had to undergo a dramatic change. Gone was the lanky frame, replaced by a sculpted physique that would make even Captain America jealous. His transformation was not just about looking the part, it was about embodying the strength and discipline of a superhero. Kumail's journey from comedian to superhero was a testament to his dedication and commitment. Kumail's journey is proof that with dedication and hard work, anyone can achieve their fitness goals. He spent months working with personal trainers, nutritionists, and fitness experts to achieve his new look. His routine included intense weightlifting sessions, strict dietary plans, and a complete overhaul of his lifestyle. It wasn't just about the physical transformation. It was about changing his mindset and embracing a new way of life. He went from self-proclaimed skinny guy to ripped superhero, inspiring countless people along the way. His transformation showed that no matter where you start, with the right mindset and effort, you can achieve incredible results. Kumail's story resonated with many who struggle with their own fitness journeys, proving that change is possible. This was no Hollywood magic trick. There were no shortcuts or special effects involved. Every muscle, every definition was a result of hard work and perseverance. Kumail shared his journey on social media, giving fans a glimpse into the grueling process and the dedication it took to achieve his superhero physique. Kumail put in the sweat and discipline, transforming his body and mindset. His daily routine was rigorous, often involving early morning workouts and late-night training sessions. He had to push through physical and mental barriers, staying focused on his goal despite the challenges. He embraced the challenge head-on, proving that limitations are self-imposed. Kumail's journey was not just about building muscles. It was about breaking through personal barriers and redefining what he thought was possible. His transformation was a powerful reminder that with determination, you can overcome any obstacle. His story is a testament to the power of believing in yourself and pushing beyond your comfort zone. Kumail Nanjiani's transformation is more than just a physical change. It's an inspiring journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It shows that with the right mindset, dedication, and hard work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. His journey continues to inspire and motivate people around the world to pursue their own fitness goals and dreams. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was Kumail's superhero physique. He committed to an intense 6-month training program, pushing himself harder than ever before. This wasn't about quick fixes or fad diets. It was about building sustainable habits and transforming his lifestyle. Kumail worked with top trainers and nutritionists, following a carefully crafted plan tailored to his goals. He didn't shy away from the hard work, embracing the grind and pushing through the pain. This dedication and commitment are what separated him from the pack and allowed him to achieve such remarkable results. At the heart of Kumail's transformation was a rigorous strength training program. He hit the weights hard, focusing on compound exercises that worked multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses became his new best friends. He gradually increased the weight and intensity, challenging his muscles to grow bigger and stronger. Kumail understood that building muscle wasn't just about looking good. It was about improving his overall health, strength, and athleticism. Strength training built the foundation, but cardio was the secret sauce that stripped away fat and revealed Kumail's chiseled physique. He incorporated high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into his routine, pushing his cardiovascular limits and torching calories. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This approach is highly effective for burning fat and improving cardiovascular health, and it fit perfectly into Kumail's busy schedule. Section 5. Fueling the Transformation, Kumail's 2,500-calorie diet plan. No superhero transformation is complete without a superhero diet. Kumail's journey to becoming a superhero on screen wasn't just about hitting the gym. It was equally about what he put into his body. Kumail followed a strict but sustainable meal plan, consuming around 2,000 to 2,500 calories per day. This wasn't a random number. It was carefully calculated to match his energy expenditure and muscle-building needs. He focused on whole, unprocessed foods, ditching the junk and fueling his body with the nutrients it needed to recover and grow. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats became the staples of his diet. This wasn't about starving himself. It was about nourishing his body with the right foods at the right times. Kumail made sure to eat balanced meals that provided a steady stream of energy throughout the day, preventing any dips in performance or mood. He prioritized protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, ensuring he had the energy to power through his workouts and support muscle growth. Protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, and plant-based options were essential for muscle repair and growth. Complex carbs like quinoa and sweet potatoes provided the sustained energy needed for intense training sessions. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds helped in hormone production and overall health. Hydration was also a key component of Kumail's diet plan. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helped keep his body functioning optimally, aiding in digestion, nutrient absorption, and muscle recovery. Meal prepping was a game-changer for Kumail. By planning and preparing his meals in advance, he could ensure he was always eating the right foods, even on his busiest days. This level of organization helped him stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks. And yes, even superheroes need a break. Kumail allowed himself occasional cheat meals to satisfy cravings and maintain a healthy relationship with food. These indulgences were part of his balanced approach, ensuring he could stick to his diet long-term without feeling deprived. The results spoke for themselves. With dedication to his 2,500-calorie diet plan, Kumail not only transformed his physique, but also his overall health and well-being. His journey is a testament to the power of proper nutrition in achieving fitness goals. Section 6. Protein Power, the building block of muscle growth. Protein became Kumail's best friend. He realized that to achieve his fitness goals, he needed to prioritize his nutrition just as much as his workouts. He made sure to eat plenty of lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and turkey. These foods were not only delicious, but also packed with the essential nutrients his body needed. Additionally, he incorporated beans into his diet. Beans are a fantastic plant-based protein source that helped his muscles recover and grow after those intense workouts. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, making it essential for anyone looking to transform their body. Kumail often enjoyed protein shakes, smoothies, and bars to ensure he met his daily protein requirements. Kumail understood that protein wasn't just for bodybuilders. It's crucial for everyone, especially those who are physically active. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, your muscles need protein to repair and grow. He made sure to include a source of protein with every meal, ensuring his body had a steady supply of amino acids to support muscle growth. This meant planning his meals carefully and being mindful of his protein intake throughout the day. Kumail also paid attention to the quality of the protein he consumed. He chose high-quality, minimally processed sources and avoided those with added sugars and unhealthy fats. By making protein a central part of his diet, Kumail not only supported his muscle growth, but also improved his overall health and well-being. Protein helped him feel fuller for longer, maintain a healthy weight, and keep his energy levels stable. Tracking his protein intake became a daily habit. Kumail used apps and meal plans to ensure he was getting the right amount of protein for his body and fitness goals. This meticulous approach paid off as he saw significant improvements in his muscle mass and strength. With dedication to his protein intake and overall nutrition, Kumail transformed his body and achieved his fitness goals. Protein truly became the building block of his muscle growth and a key component of his success. Section 7. Veggies and healthy fats, nature's goodness for a superhuman body. Kumail didn't shy away from veggies. He loaded up on colorful vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and peppers, knowing they were packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support his overall health. These nutritional powerhouses provided essential nutrients to fuel his workouts and aid in recovery. He also included healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production, brain health, and nutrient absorption. They also helped keep him feeling full and satisfied, preventing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Section 8. Saying no to sugar and processed foods. Kumail's secret weapon. One of the biggest changes Kumail made was cutting out added sugars and processed foods. He said goodbye to sugary drinks, processed snacks, and refined carbohydrates, focusing instead on whole, unprocessed foods that nourished his body from the inside out. This wasn't about deprivation. It was about making conscious choices that supported his goals. By eliminating these dietary villains, he reduced inflammation, stabilized his energy levels, and optimized his body's ability to build muscle and burn fat. Section 9. The stunning results. A testament to dedication and hard work. The results of Kumail's dedication were impossible to ignore. He emerged from his 6-month transformation with a ripped physique that showcased his incredible hard work and discipline. His journey inspired countless people, proving that anything is possible with the right mindset and approach. Kumail's transformation wasn't just about aesthetics. It was about pushing his limits, discovering his inner strength, and inspiring others to do the same. He showed the world that it's never too late to make a change and achieve your fitness goals. Section 10. Your superhero journey starts today. Kumail's journey is a powerful reminder that we are all capable of incredible transformations. It's not about being a superhero, it's about embracing the hero within ourselves. It's about setting goals, pushing our limits, and never giving up on ourselves. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Remember, your superhero journey starts today. What are you waiting for?